students, now in this session we will study the second example of Mendelian disorder, that is sickle cell anemia. Now what happens in this sickle cell anemia disease? Now here you can see the picture, that are two pictures are given. One, that is the normal red blood cells, that is the normal RBC are there, and the one, that is the individual that have the sickle cell anemia disease, the RBCs are sickle shape. So here you can observe the difference between this RBC and the affected RBCs. Again, what happens here, you can see the amino acid sequence, that is valine, histidine, leucine, threonine, proline, glutamic acid. It is found in the normal individuals. Now what happens in this sickle cell anemia? This glutamic acid, it is replaced by the code, that is the different genetic code, and that results into the different amino acid, that is valine, and such an individual, they are known as mutant. As the particular genetic code gets changed from the original one, the individuals, they are known as mutant and they are experiencing the sickle cell anemia disease. Now what happens, the change in amino acid sequence, it causes hemoglobin molecules to crystallize when oxygen levels in the blood are very low. And as a result of this, what happens, RBCs, they become sickle shape and they get stuck in small blood vessels. So as this shape occurs, what happens, oxygen carrying capacity of RBC, it is reduced. Now what are the characteristics of the sickle cell anemia disease? It is an autosomal linked recessive disease. It is transmitted from parents, that is both the partners, whenever they are carrier or they are heterozygous, they can transmit the disease. It is controlled by the single pair of allele, that is HBA and HBS. Okay, now HBS, that is for the sickle cell anemia. Homozygous individuals of this particular, what happens whenever in this condition, that is HBS, these individuals, they are known as the affected individual. Affected means they are experiencing with this sickle cell anemia disease. And if the particular this genotype is there, that is HBA, then they are the normal individuals. And heterozygous individuals means one of the particular, at one position they are having the gene for the disease and another gene is the normal. Now this defect is due to the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the 6th position beta globin chain of hemoglobin. As we have seen both the sequence, that is a normal case, normal individuals, glutamic acid it is present, which is replaced by valine, and also genetic code is changed, and due to that the RBC becomes sickle shape. Due to the substitution of single base at 6th codon of beta globin gene from GAG to GUG, that is, this is the origin.